Is it a type of thing that you guys eat every day, or is it a special meal?
Rice, chicken, beef, and vegetable, and salad.
So do you just get these ingredients at the grocery store? It's pretty easy?
Yeah.
I see cucumbers and carrots.
Do you grow any of your own vegetables?
Yeah, sometimes as I grow, then but not they pick up right now. Yeah, maybe June and July.
Do you grow the same kind of vegetables as these?
Yeah, I grow this, and this grow, this grow, and this, I grow this.
What were you able to grow in Vietnam that you can't grow here?
To grow Vietnam, same thing. So
Same thing. What else did you eat in the jungle?
snake,
What kind of holidays? Like what were the holidays that you would make these kind of meals for?
April, and Christmas, and to June, and some July, they cook out.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food are rice. Yeah, rice. Every day eat rice. Then sometimes 1 week, then snake noodle soup, then eat soup.
Vietnam export coffee and send it to other countries. And did you drink coffee when you were in Vietnam?
No.
I grow coffee, but I never drink coffee.
Don't coffee.
I just like coffee. Yeah.
And black pepper? Do you use black pepper? You grow black pepper.
Yeah.
Grow pepper.
Do you use black pepper in your cooking?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does this grow in Vietnam?
Vietnam? I think so.
What's that?
Yeah, but I'm not grow up in Vietnam.
Yeah.
I'm grow up in jungle. See, grow Vietnam.
How old were you when you went to the jungle?
I'm 12. No, 11.
11 years old?
Yeah, 11 years old, stay in jungle. Then I've been in jungle in 12 years. Then I come in the USA in 1992. Then I'm 43 right now.
You talked about living in the jungle.
Yeah.
What did you eat there?
Eat snake. I eat.
How do you cook snake?
Cook snake. I kill snake first. I kill snake. Snake go all everywhere. Then I kill snake. Then I fire outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, make fire outside. Then I cook it. Then I eat. Then I gonna find frog. I gonna find in animal.
Eat all animal.
Everything eat. Ant, sour ant, and
You're talking ants?
Yeah, and the big.
Yeah.
And big
These
bird.
are the small ants or the big ants?
Big ant.
Okay.
Yeah, they eat ant, eat everything. The sour ant, they stay in the tree. Sour ant, the big hole like that too. The big hole. Then stay in the tree. Then take this ant and eat ant.
So they taste sour?
Yeah, make sour.
How big are they?
Small. You can eat every tomorrow.
Okay.
I take the house.
Get the
And eat bug. Fly with bug. No, that bug and the stay. What they call in?
We don't know what that is. You bought this one time.
Yeah, I brought to you.
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
Yeah, I brought it.
That's very good.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
But the Vietnam then They're going to pick today, they eat today.
Right.
They're going to buy today, they eat today. They can.